For thought. Let's talk about atoms. Yes, atoms, you see. Atoms is a cell that we have within all of us. Atoms is the makeup of the planet when it separated itself into trillions and billions of cells. Not only the cells of the planet, but also the cells of the human species. You see, when the atom separated itself, it created Eve. So that's why you get the terminology of Adam and Eve, because that one atom created Eve, male and female. And this is why we have the genetic genes of one another. You see, atoms, when it separated itself, it produced the earth first. It had to come outside of itself as it was being made and conformed to separate. And this is why we all, even nature, attach and detach. You see, we conform and reform. That's what atoms do. It conforms, reform, and shape, attach, detach, and produce trillions and billions of cells. So that's our makeup. We are atoms. One atom created in the human design, which is this body. And then not only that, when the atom separated itself, it created Eve. So you have to understand what is being taught and told to us. Just like the atom, right? Before it made the planet, it was within itself. It didn't separate it. It rotated within. But once the atom mutated and realized it had trillions of cells to be birthed, that's how the planet was birthed. That's how the planet was born. And this is how we have our hydrogen and oxygen, which is our H2O, which is water, which is the oxygen we breathe, which is air. That's why when the rain falls down, it evaporates right back up into what? The oxygen. It conforms the air for us to breathe. That one atom produced many things and still is producing many things, like your fishes in the sea, your animals, like your giraffes and your tigers and your bears. You see, not only a human design the atom created, it created nature as well. And nature was the first form of that atom, created in you and I. So the next time you think about the atom, think about the trillions and billions of cells you have that will last you for lifetimes after lifetimes. And those atoms are continually working in your behalf to keep you here. So when it comes to the atoms, remember, you was never separated. You was always whole within, because the atom always detached, reform, conform, and reshape and make each and every day. So when you think about your human design and the atoms that you carry, make sure you produce what you need to produce, because the atom is always working in your behalf. Food for thought, and that's something for you to